Hello everyone. In today's video we will learn about what are the default parameters. Default parameters क्या होता है? Default parameters in JavaScript allow we to set default value for function parameters. If a parameter is not provided when the function is called, the default value will be used. These features helps prevent error and make functions more robust and easier to use. We understand better with an example. Suppose here uh, we call we are defining one function name greet and passing one parameter name equal to guest console.log hello name. We are calling this function greet as a we are not passing any parameter here, then the default value will execute. Okay. If we passing the parameter like alias, then the default value not execute. The passing value will be execute. So the output for this line will be hello alias. In this example, the greet function has no one parameter name with a default value of guest. When greet is called without arguments, name default to guest. When greet alias is called, name takes the value alias. This features ensures that functions have meaningful behavior even when some arguments are omitted. This is all about the default parameter. I guess you understand better. In next video, we will learn about what is the rest parameter and how easy to use. For now, thank you for watching. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.